don't you count how many cars are? Here we got a mooing cattle train. So here I am once again at the Susana Model Railroad. We got this mooing cattle train parked up the siding here. Just thought I'd let you know.
I will be 6.
Yeah, my granddaughters are in college.
Okay, here we got a rubber anachronistic Burlington Northern freight train, featuring cars from modern times, 70s, 80s, and even some 50s cars. Can you blow the horn? Thanks.
I always see it when I'm going down the 405.
Oh yeah, oh god, yeah, they come close. We saw airports too. Yeah. Harris was taking off, going to Colorado. We found out later what was going on, but yeah, he got a lot of hits on the internet with his videos.
That's the modern auto racks.
We go to Thornton a lot too. In fact, we do our trip for them.
It's got some old BN hopper cars, coal hoppers.
When we go take our trip this summer, we're gonna
Burlington Northern coal cars. Those look brand new, by the way. They don't look like old ones. And cabooses. 2 cabooses.
And then switch over to the Southwest Chief that leaves Fullerton.
And you can hear the cattle train mooing.
We're gonna go straight to.
We ran into some snow
Here's
a
the
little bit.
anachronistic train now heading up the hill through the tunnels.
I have it big enough house already.
We, Kathy LaForce, who was a board member of the foundation in Dawson and here, she moved up there to Flagstaff a couple of years ago.
Yeah, I thought of it. Either there or Sedona, which is not as wide as
the trees and tunnels.
It's cool.
Yeah.
Here it comes out again.
Yeah. I just plan to stay.
Your train's gonna be on YouTube.
It's hard to beat this.
You're right. He doesn't have to work there anymore.
It passes through the station at Shasta. Shasta Station.
Her house was way up. Right after the recession in 2009.
Coal hoppers, old tank car, and cabooses. That's it. Okay. Here's that anachronistic train now coming down the loop. Oh, he stopped.
Is that Los Angeles?
Okay, he's highballing out of San Ardo. Burlington Northern. Wish I could have been around been rail fanning before the mergers. Okay, here it comes down the Cuesta Loop. It goes into the tunnel.
Here comes a train.
Yeah, I was gonna say here it is. Okay.
I'm gonna get it going into the tunnel.
Come right in front of you.
Here it comes out.
One layer of wood.
56 leading. So, what type of engine is leading on that train? It looks like a GP actually, but I'm not sure. I'm not an expert on engines.
When they've done the same, like doing an FO1 now, it's a C-shaped sludge in the channel and they screw it all together.
Uh-oh.
This is what they are. That's
Looks like you got a problem.
someone.
Alright.
We were finally getting ready to start building with this supplement. We did that and we were in
The anachronistic freight train is now moving again.
earthquake, a hurricane warning, and
So you don't mind having your train on YouTube, do you?
No.
Yeah.
You're gonna put it on YouTube?
Yeah.
Under what?
Jason Gunther. That's
Under
my
what?
Jason Gunther, that's my YouTube channel.
Jason
Gunther.
Gunther?
Yeah.
Okay. When you gonna put it on?
Probably tomorrow.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Well, because I want to watch
You can still feel the heat.
it.
out
Jason
there, I hear it.
Gunther, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's,
There's all kinds of train videos.
He's gonna put it on YouTube.
And plane videos. I even have Air Force 2 on my plane.
Nice.
When we
Jason
landed.
oh yeah.
How do you spell your last name?
G-U-N-T-H-E-R.
G-U-N?
T-H-E-R.
Yeah, oh my goodness.
Yeah, that was something.
And they boarded up all the walls because it was a hurricane coming that it didn't come.
Yeah.
But they had an earthquake. I think that was related to the volcano.
Well, this guy went out, to the edge of the lava, and he says, you can do that when the wind's at your back, but not when it's blowing towards you.
Oh,
It's just
yeah,
because-
no, you don't want to get near that.
He said, he wondered, he picked up a stick and he said, stick it in the lava. He said, the stick just exploded. It didn't catch fire, it just vaporized. And it's still hot, it's still warm there. I
Oh,
understand.
yeah, it's
Well, lava can kill you even if you're not touching it.
Oh, I know, especially if the wind's blowing at you.
Remember in episode 3 of Star Wars when Anakin gets burned by the lava?
Oh, yeah. You know, a volcano erupted in the Congo today.
Yeah, in the Congo.
Africa.
Oh, and there's one going in Iceland?
Yeah.
And Mount Etna, I think it's Etna, is erupting the whole,
Etna.
volcanoes going all over the world.
Yep.
Except not here, fortunately.
Unless you saw the movie Volcano LA.
I don't know.
There was a movie,
Volcano, yeah.
the LaBelle Carpet
Oh, of course,
and the Hollywood sign and all that stuff.
yeah. Oh, there's earthquake.
How did these signals work here? Oh, it is.
They loved it, they loved
Oh,
it.
is that one down there?
And the lava flowed down the lane cliff.
Great train now leaving for LA.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah, it's like a river, but it's this rolling lake, molten lava.
We were camping at Mount Lawson and we went through the little heights that go through all the mountains. I've never been to Yellowstone, not yet. But I've been to about 20 national parks, never Yellowstone.
Coal hoppers.
Hello.
Alright. That'll be it, I think. Okay, here's the anachronistic train
Is it like
backing into Simi Valley.
to look like Simi Valley, or is it just has a couple things in it from Simi
It's
Valley?
the idea, this scale, everything is pretty compressed.
Yeah.
But, I figure the length of this building in real scale is about as far as from here to LA Avenue. So we got a lot of stuff last time.
What's that supposed to be all about?
I don't know. Somehow the surfboards have come out, and that was it way. I've been around here a long time, but that was here when I got here. And
Caboose.
They want the surfers in the town.
You don't see cabooses anymore.
It came off the car or something like that. I'm just not sure what. Oh no.
You got the conductor and the caboose watching for oncoming traffic.
Right.
That's what they do when they shove backwards. There's a couple of locals that still use cabooses. Yeah, we see it every once in a while in Fullerton. The La Mirada local and the Saugus local are the two locals that still use cabooses.
Yeah.
The train coming?